Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of luxury performance with the 2025 BMW M8, a car that doesn't just make a statement, it screams it with precision, power, and presence. The M8 has always been BMW's ultimate expression of performance, and the 2025 model is no exception. Under the hood, the 2025 M8 is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission and BMW's iDrive all-wheel drive system, allowing the M8 to launch from 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds. That's hypercar territory in a full-sized luxury coupe. The power delivery is instant, smooth, and ferocious. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or hitting the autobahn, the M8 is engineered to dominate. Visually, the 2025 M8 gets subtle yet impactful updates. The front fascia features redesigned air intakes and sharper lines, while the signature kidney grille is more sculpted and aggressive. The laser headlights are sleeker, and the entire car carries a stance that's wider, lower, and more intimidating than ever before. New color options and exclusive M wheels add to its already commanding presence on the road. Inside, the cabin is an exquisite blend of sport and sophistication. BMW has refined the interior with the latest iDrive 8.5 system displayed on a curved 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. The interface is faster, more intuitive, and seamlessly integrates voice commands and touch controls. The merino leather sports seats hug you tight in the corners but feel luxurious on long drives. Carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and the Harman Kardon or optional Bowers Wilkins sound system turn every ride into a first-class experience. But the M8 isn't just about brute force, it's about balance. Adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and a rear-biased AWD system make the M8 surprisingly nimble for its size. Switch it into rear-wheel drive-only mode and you've got a proper drift machine at your command. It's tech-enhanced driving without removing the thrill of real control. The 2025 BMW M8 comes in coupe, convertible, and Gran Coupe versions, giving buyers the choice of style, open-air freedom, or four-door practicality. No matter which one you pick, you're getting the same raw power and luxury experience. Pricing starts at just over $140,000, but fully spec'd models can push closer to $170,000. It's a premium price, but one that reflects the engineering and prestige packed into every inch of this machine. The M8 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who want brutal speed wrapped on a tuxedo. In a world full of fast cars, the 2025 BMW M8 still manages to stand out, reminding us that performance and luxury don't have to be separate. They can live together and thrive under one incredible badge. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 BMW M8, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next legend we roll out. See you in the next one.